Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the latest tips and tricks for free.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will see how to crop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now for that one, what I will do is I will go to File, New, and then I'll create a new project. OK, and then select Yes. So after I have created a new project, I will import a video. I'll go to File, Import, and then I'll import any video. Now once the video is imported, I have to add this video to this timeline. So what you can do is you can drag and drop the video here. So this is the video. Now if I have to crop this video, then what I have to do is I have to go to this effect tabs here. I have to go to this video effect, then I'll go to transform, and there is an option here or feature here, crop. So I will drag and apply this feature to my video. After that I need to go to this effect controls, and you can see there is crop, and there is an option here. You can crop from left, top, right, bottom, and you can crop how many percentage you want. So if I want to crop from all sides, I will by 10%, I will type 10 here. You can see here the video is cropped from the left, from the top 10%, from right 10%, and then bottom 10%. Now you see all the videos are cropped from cropped by 10% from all the sides, and you can see there is a black bar here. Now what you can do, you can select this option zoom if you want this video to fit exactly without the black bar, or else you also have the option here under motion. There is scale which you can use to either zoom in or zoom out the video. So in this way you can make the video fit exactly after cropping. So this is how you can crop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you.